Star G. Where I'm from, nigga, it's respect to disrespect, then it's total disrespect, and it's fuck everybody. You dig what I'm saying? Let's get it. I ain't gonna say it no more, nigga. Black. Put some respect when you mention my name. You talking about killers, but you ain't no killer.